In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show order history in Exness chart. To get started, open the Exness Trade app on your device and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one trading account. Once you're in, head over to the Trade tab. This is where you'll find your active trading accounts and the instruments connected to them. Next, choose the trading account that contains the orders you want to review. This part is important because order history is tied to the specific account where the trade was placed. If you select the wrong account, you may not see the order you're looking for. After that, tap on the trading instrument related to your order. This could be something like EURUSD, XAUUSD, or any other asset you've traded. Opening the correct instrument helps ensure that the chart and order information match the trade you want to examine. Once you're inside that instrument, open the chart. This is where you'll be able to visually review market movement, and if the option is available, display the details of your completed trade directly on the chart. Viewing order history this way can make it much easier to understand where you entered the market and where you exited. From there, go to the history or orders section, depending on how your version of the app is labeled. In this area, you should see a list of your completed trades. Take a moment to find the specific order you want to review, then tap on it to open the order details. Now look for an option called Show on Chart. In some versions of the app, this may appear as a chart icon instead of text. If that feature is available, tap it. The app will then display the order directly on the price chart, including the entry and exit points. This can be very useful if you want to analyze past performance, study timing, or simply confirm exactly where the trade was executed. If you don't immediately see the option, double check that you opened a completed order rather than an active one, and make sure you're inside the correct instrument's chart. Small differences in app version or interface layout can also affect where the feature appears, and that's how to show order history in an Exness chart using the Exness Trade app. Once you know where to look, it's a quick and helpful way to review your past trades more clearly.